You got a fetish for my love. I push you out and you come right back. Don't see a point in blaming.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel. It's just Amy today, and I'm filming today to talk to you about something that I'm really excited about. So I've recently been in contact with a Roden and Fields consultant. So basically Roden and Fields is a skincare company. They are the same creators as Proactive, so they know what they're doing. And basically I had some skin concerns. My skin is normally really dry, and for the last couple of months it's been it would just crack whenever I would put foundation on, and it would just look horrible, and it looked like I had a skin disease. So I want to get that under control. So this lovely lady got in contact with me, and we chatted about what my skin concerns were, and she told me a bit about the business. So she was telling me that Roden & Fields is a relatively new business. So it's a US business, so it's been in the US for 6 years, and it's only just recently come to Australia. So it's about 6 months in Australia. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this out because I've been trying to find the right skincare, and I wanted to get something that I could use and know it worked. So I did a bit of research, and I've seen like before and afters, and just like the difference seeing it. So today I'm thinking that I might just go through everything with you today, see what I've got, and I'll just briefly talk over the other regiments as well. So I actually got the Soothe regiment, so I will go through what each product is and how to apply it. So this is the box here, so I'll just open that, and it comes in this really cute white and green package. So it says here Regiment for sensitive skin, which is mine because it just breaks out everywhere. Soothe is a complete skincare system that defends against sensitive skin and soothes and calms visible facial redness. This 4-product regimen was developed by Stanford-trained dermatologists Dr. Katie Roden and Dr. Kathy Fields. So I will just open it, and it actually is really cute. It says on here, track your progress, take a picture prior to starting your regimen, upload your before and after images at rodenandfieldsresults.com. So that's where I got all the images to see the difference, and it just sold me on it really. Okay, so it's got a little booklet here. It comes with 4 products. They're all numbered, which helps a bunch. So number 1 is the, I'm sorry, my voice is cracking. Number 1 is the Gentle Cream Wash. So it's just this one here. It says here that it sweeps away skin impurities without the use of harsh surfactants. Contains essential moisturizing ceramides that nurture the skin's barrier to support its resiliency. And also the directions for this product, it says use morning and evenings, prior to using, remove any facial makeup, which you would do anyway. Apply a thin, even layer over entire face, avoiding the eye area. So it's really helpful. It tells you for oily and for dry skin. So for oily skin, it says rinse thoroughly and pat dry, but for dry skin, which is my skin type, remove with a fresh dry gauze pad. So that is the first one. And the second one is the sensitive skin treatment, so it's just this one here. and it says hydrating lotion with the exclusive RF peptide technology helps to reduce the visible signs of dry and sensitive skin. Dimethicone, so I'm guessing that's how you say it, and allantoin fortify the skin's barrier to relieve dryness and reduce a sign of sensitivity. Optical filters effectively neutralize the look of visible redness. And the directions, apply a thin, even layer over the entire face, avoiding the eye area. Use twice daily, apply as needed. So that's just like a treatment. The third one is the moisture replenishing cream. So it's just that one there. And that one says, rich dewy formula soothes, hydrates and nourishes skin. Utilizes RF cold fission, it's spelled FISSION, technology to replenish skin's natural moisturizing factors without the use of traditional emulsifiers. And it says for directions, apply a thin, even layer over the entire face every morning and night. Avoiding the eye area. In the morning, follow with a sunscreen. So that's that one there. And number 4 is the calming lotion SPF 415, sorry. So it's just this one here. Looks like a glue stick. It says, calming lotion with SPF 15 protects skin without compromising skin's delicate moisture barrier. This lightweight formula calms, soothes and minimises the appearance of visible redness associated with dryness. And it says here, shake well before use. Apply a thin, even layer over the entire face every morning as a final step in the regimen. Reapply every 2 to 3 hours as needed and avoid the eye area. So that is the 4th one in the series. And also they have so they've got 3 regiments in Australia. So Soothe being my one, so that one's for, what's it called? That's for sensitive skin. They've also got, I think it's Reverse. Yes, Reverse is for the appearance of brown spots and dullness and discoloration. So apparently that one is very popular in Australia due to like the sun damage and people having like dark spots and stuff. And they also have Redefine, which is almost like an anti-aging what's it called? Regiment. There we go. So it's more like an aging regimen, and it says for the appearance of lines, pores and loss of firmness. So I won't do it in this video, but I'm definitely going to be doing it in the next video. I will show you how I apply my regimen. I'll also have like a before so you can see what's going on in my face, and then I will do a 4-week video after I've started using the regimen to see what difference my skin's like. So I'm hoping to see a really big difference. I'm really excited. And also, so the consultant that I was talking to, I'll leave all of her details in the below section just so you can contact her. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, bye! I'm bringing this ridiculously large bag, and it actually